Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to update your address in Amazon after an order ships. This can be crucial if you've moved recently or accidentally entered the wrong delivery location. Let's walk through the process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to Amazon.com. Once you're there, go ahead and sign into your account. After logging in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page where you'll see Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Orders. This will take you to a comprehensive view of all your recent purchases and their current status. Now, although I don't have any active orders right now, I'll guide you through what you'd see next. On the Orders page, you'll find a list of all your purchases. Locate the specific order where you need to update the shipping address and click on View Order Details. This opens up all the information related to that particular purchase, including the current shipping address, estimated delivery date, and tracking information if available. Once you're viewing the order details, look for the shipping address section. You should see a change option right next to the address line. Click on this change button to proceed with updating your delivery location. This is the key step that allows you to modify where your package will be sent. A new window or section will appear showing your saved addresses. If you have a previously saved address that you'd like to use instead, simply select it from the list. However, if you need to enter a completely new address, click on Add Another Address. This opens up a form where you can input fresh delivery details. Type in the new address information carefully, making sure every field is accurate, including street number, city, state, and zip code. Once you've filled in all the required details, click Use this address or whichever confirmation button appears on your screen. This action saves your changes and applies the new address to your order. After submitting the new address, take a moment to review the order details once more. Double-check that the updated address is now showing correctly in the shipping information section. This verification step ensures there are no errors before your package is delivered. However, there's an important limitation you should know about. If you don't see the change option next to your shipping address, it typically means the order has already shipped or is being handled by a third-party seller. In these cases, Amazon usually won't allow you to update the address through their system. You might need to contact customer service directly or reach out to the carrier for potential rerouting options. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.